Hello friends, in previous video we have seen how to create a Telegram bot. Now we see how to integrate Telegram bot with database. So to integrate, first we need a Telegram bot. So in previous video we created a Telegram bot. So this is our Telegram bot, previous Telegram bot code, and in this I made some changes to interact with database. So with these change of code, we can interact with database. For this, we are going to use a database which is a Google database, is Firebase, Google Firebase. So this is a database which we are going to use. We can use any database, any MongoDB or any other database we can use for this. For my convenience, I am using this. So here already I created a Telegram stock data, a database collection. So this is uh, my database. So in this Firestore database, so I created one collection, and in that collection I'm going to store all the data of my Telegram bot, which I get response from the user. So these are all the responses I get from earlier. I have did during practice I did these responses, and I get these responses from the bot. So I have stored all the data which in the Telegram bot, which the Telegram bot has been in Telegram bot. What are the messages I received, I have stored in my database. So now we see how to implement this part. So in so for this, first we need to in Node.js we have to need some packages that are Firebase admin package. So like before, to integrate with Telegram bot, we have used this module Node Telegram bot API. So for this, to interact, now we interact with Firebase. We are going to use this Firebase admin. So in command prompt, we are going to so where our Telegram files are stored. So there I am opening my command prompt. So in that command prompt, I am installing Firebase API by typing command npm install firebase /admin. So this is the required package to integrate with Firebase Firebase database. So after this completion of installation, we can write our code, and we can integrate. We can contact with our database from anywhere. So in this code, this is already I have written this code already. So in this code, here we have seen earlier that we integrated Telegram bot by Telegram bot API, no Telegram bot API. We required this, and this is my bot token which I generated earlier, and this is my API key which my bot is with. So this is the API key where I have did my bot with to get the data, NSC data of the companies. So for to integrate with that API to the bot, I have used this API key, and like this I have connected with Firebase, requested a Firebase admin package to and integrate connected with my Firebase database. So in this code here we see a JSON file. This JSON file is nothing but a private key which is provided by a Google Firebase. So we go here, and in this service accounts we can see a private key. Here we can get a private key which is used to integrate with our database. It is loading. So here I am putting nodejs as it is, and generate my new private key. Will download a new file. So that file I am storing in the same location and by changing the name key.json. So and I have to this is my account. So this gives the my account. and and these methods are already we written, we have seen in the previous video. This is the start command to know the bot is started or not, and this is the help command what the bot can do. And this get command in here, get command is the command I have written to retrieve the data from the my database. So initially, when I say slash company and company name, so I store the data. I get the data from the API key and store the data in the database. So here is the code that to store in the database. In here DB is my database object, and in here collection stock data is my collection, where we can see in this Firestore database. Here we can see this is collection, this is my stock data collection. So I have created a collection naming stock data. So here I am going to add all the data. So what I am storing in the database are chart ID and company ticker, what is the company, and company message, what is the data that the company is the latest NSE details of that company I'm storing in the database. And using this get command, I'm going to retrieve the data from the database. So here I have used where command, which is used to, here we have seen three arguments. Chart ID is equal to chart ID, where this chart ID is is the chart ID stored in the database, and this chart ID is the chart ID which the user is interacting with. So if this chart ID is same as the in the database chart ID, all the data in the database with which value is true for this condition, the data is retrieved to sent to the bot. So here we can see bot dot send message will send the message to the bot. So I am going to run this code by node space index.js, where here index is my file name. So bot is running currently. So in the Chrome, I have already opened my Telegram bot. So here, when I say start, it's going to give start command, what the start command will say, and here help will give this how bot can be interacted. So when I say company space IBM, so I will get the all the latest NSE data from the IBM, and that is stored in the database. So we can see a message data stored in the database successfully. Now to retrieve the data from the database, I am using get command and the company name. So this will give all the data that is stored in the IBM. So here we can see the all data that is stored in the database on the latest NSE data that is stored in the database. So this is how we are interacting with we are connecting database with the Telegram bot. So here I have used two packages. One is Telegram Node Telegram bot API, which is used to interact Node.js with the Telegram bot, and another is firebase admin. This is used to connect the database to my Telegram bot. And this is my Telegram bot, which is this takes the information from the API key and stores in the database and gives the information back when we want by using any get command. So like this we can store the store the data in the database, and we can retrieve the data from the database. Thank you.